Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 pretty cool ways iOS 26 enhances your iPhone's battery life. Apple has introduced several battery-focused updates in iOS 26, giving you better insight into power uses and new tools to extend the battery life. From redesigned battery tracking to smarter power-saving modes, the latest update is designed to enhance your iPhone's battery life big time. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would like to take your attention to the adaptive power mode. Joining low power mode is the new adaptive power mode designed to subtly adjust performance to extend battery life during heavy uses. It may lower brightness, slow down some tasks, or automatically enable the power mode at 20%. Adaptive power is optional and can be enabled by going to the Settings app and Battery section. Once enabled, it activates automatically when your iPhone detects unusual battery consumption. It also supports notifications, so you will know when it kicks in, though it can work quietly in the background if you prefer. Note that this feature requires an iPhone 15 Pro or newer model since it relies on Apple Intelligence. Next up, I would like to take your attention to the battery health and charge limit section. The battery health section remains, showing charge cycles and maximum capacity. iOS 26 still offers the ability to limit charging to 80%, which can help extend long-term battery health. And then I would like to talk about the low power mode in the dynamic island. When your battery drops to 20%, iOS 26 now surfaces the low power mode toggle in the dynamic island. Tapping the alert instantly enables it, making power saving more accessible than ever before. And then I would like to take your attention to the charging time estimates. When charging, you can now tap your iPhone's display to see how long it will take to reach full charge or up to your selected charge limit. This estimate also appears in the battery settings, giving you a better idea of when your device will be ready. And finally, let's talk about the redesigned battery section. The battery menu in the Settings app now offers a more detailed overview of your iPhone's energy use. Instead of only showing data for the past 24 hours or 10 days, you now get a weekly average view with comparisons against your typical uses. This lets you know whether you are using more, less, or about the same battery as usual. Apps that consume significant power appear highlighted in orange, and you can even get notifications if your battery drain is higher than normal. The breakdown also shows whether the extra drain came from background activity, screen time, or notifications. Plus, you can also scroll back through the past 7 days for a clear picture of usage, charging times, and idle consumption. And that's about it. So these are the neat ways through which iOS 26 enhances your iPhone's battery life. Now that you have unlocked these neat methods, make the most of them to bolster the battery life on your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.